Okay, Joshua's been in bed for 15 minutes. Slept for 15 minutes. He's up. So we're gonna get him. Oh, he's... Jeffrey's asleep. How can he sleep through this? Come here. Come here. Well, he woke up. Jeffrey woke up. Good morning, dude. Jeffrey's like, that wasn't long of a nap. Look at you. Look at you. Oh, my goodness. Oh, it's so horrible. Ah, Jeffrey, she's waking up. Man. Here, let me get Jeffrey up, Joshua. Oh, goodness. Come here, come here, come here. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Come on, Jeffrey. I'm sorry. Come on, Bubby. He's so different than his brother. Look at his face.
What?
There's snot coming out of his nose. Oh.